welcome to our channel Yuvan Tech Tutorial. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can log out of Instagram on all other devices. But before guiding you through the steps, make sure you have subscribed and hit the notification bell of the channel so that you can get notified about the further uploads on this channel. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open the Instagram and logged in into the Instagram account, and on the bottom right corner you'll see the profile icon. Tap on it, and on the top right corner you'll see the three-line icon. Tap on it and tap on setting and privacy. You'll be access to this page. You need to tap on account center and tap on password and security. Under the security checks, you will see where you are logged in. Tap on it and tap on this Instagram ID, that is Leonard083, and you will be able to see where you are logged in on the other devices. So you need to tap on select devices to log out, and you can choose the device you want to log out from. And after the selection on the device, you need to tap on logout, and once you tap on logout, you will no longer be logged in on the selected devices. So following this way, you can easily log out of Instagram on the other devices. Thank you.